In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream FL Studio to OBS Studio without audio delay for live streams. We'll start inside FL Studio. The goal is to route your audio cleanly and keep everything in sync. So first head to the audio section, open options, then audio settings. This is where FL Studio decides which driver handles your sound, and choosing the right one makes a big difference for latency. In the device list, select FL Studio ASIO. This driver is designed for low latency performance and gives you reliable, consistent audio when you're streaming or recording. After selecting it, click Show ASIO panel. In that panel, confirm your audio interface is selected as the input and output device. If you hear clicks or pops, your buffer might be too low. If you feel extra delay, it might be too high. A small adjustment here can balance smooth playback with minimal latency, so tweak gently until it's stable. Now switch to OBS, open settings, then audio. Here, set desktop audio to your main output. That should be the same output you actually listen to, like your interface's main out or your system's default device. When you play something in FL Studio, you should see the audio meters in OBS respond. If you do, OBS is hearing exactly what you hear. For the visual side, you can capture your screen however you like, but a simple way is to add a window capture source for FL Studio. Pick the FL Studio window so your viewers see the DAW itself, then size and position it in your scene as needed. This keeps the focus on your project while the audio flows from the desktop output you just set. If you notice your audio lagging behind the video, go to Edit in OBS and open Advanced Audio Properties. Find your FL Studio or desktop source and use the sync offset to nudge timing. Start with a very small delay and test until your on-screen actions match what you hear. If you prefer, you can adjust video delay instead, but only move one or the other so you don't chase your tail. Finally, make sure all sample rates match. Check Windows sound settings, your interface's control software or ASIO panel, and FL Studio's audio settings. Keep them on the same value, like 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz across the board. When these don't match, you can get resampling artifacts and drift that look like delay. With these settings dialed in, your FL Studio audio and OBS video should be locked in sync, giving you a clean, professional live stream without distracting lag.